All right, let's do this problem that models a system of linear equations. On Monday, Harold picked up 3 donuts and 4 large coffees for the office staff. He paid $4.91. On Tuesday, Melinda picked up 5 donuts and 6 large coffees for the office staff. She paid $7.39. What is the cost of 1 donut? What is the cost of 1 large coffee? So we see that we have 2 things that we need to solve for: the cost of 1 donut and the cost of 1 large coffee. So we're going to name variables to the things that we're looking for. So we're going to let x be equal to the cost of a donut, of 1 donut. All right? We're going to let y be the cost of 1 large coffee. All right, so we've named the variables to the things that we're looking for. All right, let's go back to the problem and see what other information they gave us. So on Monday, Harold picked up 3 donuts, so that contributed to 3 times the cost of those donuts, plus 4 large coffees, so that's the cost that the coffees contributed, and he paid a total of $4.91. Right? So whatever the cost of the donuts are, if he bought 3 of them, he paid 3 times that. Whatever the cost of the coffee was, and he bought 4 of them, he paid 4 times that. So the total was $4.91. All right, on Tuesday, let's look at that one. On Tuesday, Melinda picked up 5 donuts, so 5 times whatever the cost of the donuts were, 6 large coffees, so 6 times the cost of the coffees, and she paid a total of $7.39. All right, so this right here models our system of linear equations, and what we're looking for is to solve for x, the cost of a donut, and y, the cost of coffee. I'm going to solve this problem by elimination. So I think what I'm going to do is, let's pick this color, is multiply. I'm going to get rid of my y's. So as we see, 4 and 6 could have a common multiple of 12. So I'm going to multiply the top by a -3, because 3 times 4 is -12, and the bottom by +2, because 2 times 6 is +12. And remember, I want to eliminate one of my variables. All right, so I'm going to distribute the -3 to all the things on top, and that leaves me with -9x minus 12y equals, and if I pull out my calculator and multiply 491 times -3, I get -1473. All right, those stray marks there. All right, now if I multiply the bottom one by 2, so I multiply all the terms by 2, I get +10x, +12y equals 1478. All right, now I'm going to add these 2 together, and as we see, my y's cancel out. They get eliminated, which is exactly why I chose to multiply what I multiplied by. All right, so if I add these, I get 1x, so -9x plus 10x, the y's cancel, and I add the dollar amounts on the other side, I end up with just 5 cents. So this tells me that the cost of a donut is 5 cents. Man, I want to eat those donuts. All right, now we need to go back into either one of these equations. I'll go into the first one to solve for y. All right, so 3 times the cost of a donut, which we just found to be 5 cents, plus 4 times the cost of coffee, which is what I'm looking for, is equal to $4.91. All right, so this becomes 15 cents plus 4y equals $4.91. I'm going to subtract 15 cents from both sides, and I end up with 4y equals $4.76. I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I end up with y equals $1.19. All right, so To answer my question in final form, X is equal to 5 cents, that's the cost of one donut, and Y is equal to $1.19, the cost of a large coffee.